If you can't nuke it, forget it.
No!
What are you doing?
We didn't do it on purpose. That thing's really dangerous.
The microwave.
Yeah, we tried it before. The microwave interferes with our resonance frequency.
Keep your hands off Brandon. He's mine.
You can have him.
Take that plate around.
I explained to her how things work around here.
I bet you did.
It was for her own good. She got the message and disappeared.
What were you doing in there?
It wasn't my fault. It's that horrible machine. Do all you humans have them? So cold. I really need to recharge after that microwave incident.